Hello schoolBic users, my name is Evelyn, and in this tutorial video, I will show you how schoolBic events management works. With the event module in your school management system, you will keep your users up to date on the latest event happening in your institution and instantly mark out the event date on their calendar. Users will be able to view upcoming and past events targeted at them from the web portal and through their school mobile app. Without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, I'd like to show you how to create an event in your school management system. Based on the default setting of your school management software, not every user type can create an event in the system. Only the super admin and managers can create an event, so I log into the super admin portal and navigate to the school events menu and click on the module. Here you can see all the events we have created in the system. Also, you can search for an event with this search bar. You can easily see the event title and description, the event place, the user the event is for, and the date of the event. Use this toggle button to disable an event from showing in the front end of your website. If you use our CMS, you can apply an edit by clicking this blue edit button, and to delete an event, click this red delete button. To add an event, click the add event button. Enter the title of the event. Here you should enter the description of the event. You can style the description with the HTML tools available. Enter the place the event is taking place, and here indicate which user the event is for. You can create an event for all the institution or a specific user type. If you create an event for a specific user, only those users will be able to see the event on their dashboard and mobile app. Indicate the date of the event. You can upload an image for the event, and here enable or disable the event from showing from your website front end. To publish your event, click the Add Event button. And here is the event we just created. Let's see how the event is marked out in the calendar. And here is the calendar. As you can see, the event is being marked out. When click, user will get to see all the information of the event. I'd like to clarify what Elia said. Even though, based on the default setting of our school management system, only the system super admin or managers have access to the event module. You can give permission to other users' role to be able to publish an event. You can configure this change from the permission role module from the administrative task menu. To learn more about the permission role module, please check out permission role video. If you have questions regarding this tutorial video, please get in touch with us or contact your account manager. We'd be glad to hear from you. Thanks for watching.